Hello everyone, welcome to CAD tutorials for beginners. In this tutorial we will learn rib and slot command in CATIA V5. So let us start with the part design, mechanical design, part design. So keep this name as it is and click on OK. So we will see this rib command in CATIA. So just click on the rib. So now we will see what are the parameters required to create the rib. So what are the inputs we need to provide to create a rib? So first is the profile. So we need to provide the profile and along with the center curve. So we have to we will just create the rib along with this center curve with this profile. And here there is one more option, profile control, keep angle, pulling direction and reference surface. So we will see these options in this tutorial. Again, as we have already discussed, like in pad command, so here is also an option available, that is thick profile and a thin rib. So let's discuss with the help of example. So select the sketch positioning and we'll draw on the front plane. So I will create a spline over here. Just create a spline, simple spline here. And exit the workbench. So now this is our center curve and we will create a profile here normal to this curve. So before going to create a profile, we need to create a plane. So select the plane definition and select the reference, this curve. You can see here the option is automatically selected, normal to the curve, and here we have to select the point where we need to locate that plane. So just select this origin as a point here so that it will be normal to that curve. And now we will create a profile on this plane. Just click on OK. And here we will create a rectangular profile. Just select a center rectangle and with this center point just create a simple rectangle. Just exit the workbench and now we have the profile ready along with the center curve. So just create a select a rib option and select the profile. So the profile is selected and the center curve. So make sure that your sketch and the profile and the center curve should be in the two different sketches. So once you select the two sketches, you can see the preview here, and if you click on the preview you will find the solid object, solid rib is created. Just click on OK. So in this way you can create a simple rib. So now let us understand the another option. So just double click on it. So we have already selected the keep angle option here, and this keep angle option, so this keep angle option keeps the angle value between the sketch plane used for the profile and tangent to this curve. So this is the meaning of this keep angle profile control. So now we will see the pulling direction control here. So just delete this rib we have created earlier. So I will uncheck this delete aggregated elements so that our sketch profiles will not be deleted. So now again select the rib option and here select the profile and the center curve. Now here instead of keep angle we will select the pulling direction. So here we will select the plane XY to define the Z axis as the pulling direction. This XY or the pulling direction used to define the profile will remain normal to the plane XY. So this is the meaning of this pulling direction. So here we will directly select the XY so that it will be normal to the profile will be normal to the sketch will remain normal to the XY plane. So you can see here the profile is the rib has changed now, and which is normal to this XY plane. So again if you preview it, so you can see here the rib is getting changed for this type. Similarly, you can change the angle to x and y axis, which will be perpendicular to the yz and the xz plane respectively. So now I will again delete this one, again uncheck this option, and we will select the profile, select the center curve, and here instead of the solid rib we will create a thick profile. So here we can provide the thickness 1 and the thickness 2. So just preview of for this one, and here add the thickness 1. Thickness 1 is the inside thickness, so it will create a thickness inside of that sketch, and the thickness 2, it will add the thickness outside of the sketch. So once we preview it, you can see here the thick rib is created, and which is hollow inside. Again double click on this one to edit this rib, and if you want neutral fiber, that is the thickness 1 and thickness 2 will remain the same. So once we click on the neutral fiber, so both the thicknesses will remain the same. That is thickness 1, that is outside, and the inside thickness will remain same with this option, that is neutral fiber. So now again we will just uncheck this thick profile option, and we will create a solid rib, and instead of, so now we have completed this rib option now, and we will see this merge rib ends option later on after the slot command. So now we will see the slot command here, and again if you click on the slot definition, you can see the same options available here for the profile, center curve, and the profile control, thick profile, and the thin slot. So these are the same options as the slot command. So here instead of addition of material, it will remove the material along with the center curve and with that specific profile. So let's draw on this plane again, and just click on the OK, align the sketch, and here instead of rectangle we will create a circular profile and exit the workbench. We will use the same center curve which we have used for the rib command, and here just select the slot definition, select this profile, and select this sketch as a center curve, and preview after it. So now if you have your rib created with some of the options like pulling direction, you should select that pulling direction option for the slot command as well. So now we have the keep angle option, so let's check this option as well, and here you can see it is going exit size and it is not cutting in a proper way. So that's why this option is important. You should select the keep angle option again and just click OK. Again here you will find the thick profile. So now it will not be a practical use, but for the demonstration purpose we can see. So the thickness, again you can see here the inside thickness is the thickness 1, and just increase that little bit, and the thickness 2 will be 4. So in this way you can create a slot. Again if you check the neutral fiber, both the thicknesses will remain the same, inside and the outside thickness. Just click on OK. So in this way the slot can be created. So now we will just delete both the options over here, and we'll again delete this one as well. Select the isometric view, and here we will create one simple profile on the front plane. Just create a simple profile, exit the workbench, and here we will do a pad here. Just click on OK. And now again I will draw on this plane over here, and randomly we can just create a simple spline here. Just exit this, and again here we will create one plane, and at this point just click on OK. You can follow the steps so that you can understand in a proper way. So here we will project this point to this point, and here swap this edge. So here we will create a simple profile, once again a circle, and use the sweep again, this rip command. So just select, it is already selected, and now we have to select the center point. So now if you just select these two options, and once you click on the preview, you can see here both the ends are not touching anywhere. Sorry, we have done some wrong thing here again. This I will do a little bit. Exit this workbench, and here we will create that point. So now you can see the point is, now that the rib is moved in little inside, so that we can understand that option. So now so you can see both the ends are still open. And now let's say if we use the merge rib ends option, you can see this end is extending till the next material, as well as this end is extending till the next material. So in this manner, this merge rib ends option is working. So in this way we have learned the rib command and the slot command in this tutorial, as well as the merge rib ends option which is available in these two options. So thank you very much for watching. We will learn some more commands in the upcoming tutorials. So please do like and subscribe our channel for more videos.